Crompton for 85 plus years has stood for trust and a legacy of consumer-centric, meaningful innovations. With this spirit, we went to 1100 plus households across 10 cities in India to understand their pain points, and a common hidden threat that Indians were struggling with was hazardous smoke and pollution in the kitchen, with AQI shooting to as high as 700 with a simple tadka. And the biggest sufferers were women, their lungs, skin, and hair. We decided to solve this, and after 12 months of intensive research, Crompton proudly presents the Sylvaire range, introducing India's first chimney based on AirIQ technology. Because the ones we love deserve healthier air. Sylvaire comes with an AQ Sync BLDC motor, specially designed and powered by Crompton's smart algorithm, to intuitively sense and adapt the suction up and down as per the AQI in your kitchen. The AQ Sync motor is powered by AirIQ technology that senses the kitchen AQI and makes the suction as powerful as 2900, with noise as gentle as 40 decibels. You can watch the magic on the digital display that how with suction increase, the AQI level drops. The Crompton patented Smart On and intelligent auto clean feature makes it even smarter to run and clean. And there's more. You get to enjoy 4 years comprehensive warranty and 15 years motor warranty. Also cherish installation and ducting kit for free. Crompton Sylvaire, because the ones we love deserve healthier air.